Hey, what's up, guys? If you're here, you're probably looking for the best lawnmower to make your lawn the envy of the neighborhood. Whether you've got a tiny patch of grass or a bigger backyard, I've got you covered today with some of the top cordless mowers out there in 2025. Product 1. Ego Power Plus Electric Lawnmower. Alright, first up is the Ego Power Plus Electric Lawnmower. This bad boy comes with a 56V 5.0A battery that can run for about 45 minutes on a single charge. If you've got a medium-sized yard, this thing's gonna get you through with no problem. Plus, it's lightweight, super easy to start. Literally just press a button. What's awesome is that it's weather-resistant, so rain or shine, it's ready to go. Plus, the compact design is perfect for small storage spaces, and the LED lights help you mow at night. Pretty cool, right? Now the downside. If you've got a really big yard, you might need to recharge halfway through because of the 45-minute runtime. And let's be real, it's on the pricier side, so if you're just looking to mow a small patch, it might be overkill. Product 2. Greenworks 60V17 Brushless Mower. Next up, we've got the Greenworks 60V17 Brushless Mower. This one's a beast too. 60V of power that's perfect for getting the job done. And guess what? It comes with a string trimmer in the bundle. No more running around looking for your trimmer when you're done mowing. The brushless motor makes it efficient, and it can mow for up to 40 minutes on a full charge. It's great for medium to large yards, and the trimmer helps with those edges you always forget about. Plus, you can switch between mulching and bagging to match your lawn's needs. However, the runtime is a bit short if you have a large lawn, and it's a little on the heavier side, making it harder to maneuver for some. Also, don't expect it to be as light and easy as smaller models. Product 3. YARDMAX 22In Gas Mower. Okay, if you're not into batteries and want something that packs a punch, check out the YARDMAX 22-inch gas mower. This one's got a 210cc engine and a 6-speed CVT, which means you can adjust the pace to match your walking speed. It's perfect for uneven or sloped terrain. The 22-inch deck is great for covering a large area quickly, and the self-propelled feature makes it a breeze to push around. Plus, the gas engine is super powerful and can handle just about any terrain. But here's the thing, it's pretty heavy, and gas mowers can be noisy and require more maintenance than electric ones. If you're looking for something quieter or less of a hassle, this might not be your top pick. Product 4. BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 Corded Mower. Alright, if you're on a budget and you've got a smaller yard, the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 Corded Lawnmower is a great option. It's lightweight, easy to use, and even doubles as a string trimmer and edger. It's got a 12-inch cutting width, perfect for tight spaces. I love how easy it is to store and use. It's super lightweight at just 9.9 ups and works best for small lawns. Plus, since it's corded, you won't have to worry about charging. Just plug it in, and you're good to go. That said, it does have some limitations. The cord can be a hassle if you've got a bigger yard, and the cutting width is on the smaller side, so it might take longer if you've got more ground to cover. It's also not great for tall or thick grass. Product 5. American Lawnmower Company 4-Blade Reel Mower. Finally, if you're looking for something super low maintenance and eco-friendly, you might want to check out the American Lawnmower Company 1204-14 Reel Mower. No gas, no battery, just pure, quiet, manual power. It's perfect for small lawns and is incredibly easy to use. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and doesn't require any fuel or charging. If you've got a small lawn, this could be your new best friend. Plus, you get that satisfying, old-school mowing experience. So, there you have it. Whether you need something powerful, eco-friendly, or just easy on the budget, there's definitely a mower for you out there. Just think about your lawn size and needs before choosing. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more cool reviews and tips. Catch you next time, and happy mowing!